Have you ever wished you could have a conversation with a computer that understands you like a human? Thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, specifically in large language models, LLMs, we're getting closer to that reality. LLMs can understand and generate human-like text, making them perfect for tasks such as translation, writing creative content, and answering questions. But just like any brilliant mind, they need the right tools and guidance to unleash their full potential. This is where LangChain comes in. Think of LangChain as a toolkit that helps us build amazing applications by connecting and orchestrating different LLMs and other tools. Get ready to unlock the power of language models and see the future of AI development. LangChain is an open-source framework designed to simplify the development of applications using large language models, or LLMs. Imagine trying to build a house without any standardized tools or blueprints. LangChain provides a structured and streamlined approach to building with LLMs, making the process more efficient and accessible. It acts as a bridge between the complex world of LLMs and the practical applications we use every day. What makes LangChain truly special is its emphasis on modularity, flexibility, and efficiency. It's like a Lego set for AI development, allowing developers to mix and match components to create custom solutions. Whether you're a seasoned AI engineer or just starting, LangChain offers a powerful way to harness LLMs and build intelligent applications. To truly grasp the power of LangChain, we need to break down its core components. Think of these components as the essential ingredients in our AI recipe. Each element plays a crucial role in creating a seamless and effective system for building LLM-powered applications. Let's dive into each of these building blocks. Large language models, LLMs, the brains of the operation, capable of understanding and generating human-quality text. Prompts, instructions we give to the LLMs, guiding them to perform specific tasks or generate desired outputs. Chains, sequences of actions that combine LLMs and other tools to create more complex applications. Agents, decision-making components that allow applications to interact with the environment and choose the best course of action. Now that we have our powerful LLMs ready to go, we need a way to communicate with them and tell them what we want them to do. This is where prompts come in. Prompts are like instructions or questions we feed into the LLM, guiding it to generate the desired output. Think of it like giving directions to a friend who's driving you to a new restaurant. Crafting effective prompts is crucial for getting the most out of LLMs. A well-written prompt provides the LLM with enough context and information to understand the task and generate accurate responses. For example, if you're building a chatbot to answer questions about a specific product, your prompts should include relevant information about the product's features and use cases. The more specific and detailed your prompts are, the more accurate and helpful your chatbot's responses will be. While LLMs are powerful on their own, they are even more potent when combined with other tools and actions to create complex workflows. This is where chains come into play. Imagine you want to build an application that can summarize news articles and then translate the summaries into different languages. Chains allow us to create a sequence of steps, or a pipeline, where the output of one step becomes the input for the next. In our new summarization example, we could use one LLM to summarize the article and then feed that summary into another LLM that specializes in translation. LangChain provides a simple way to define and execute chains, making it easy to build sophisticated applications by combining the strengths of different LLMs and other tools. It's like creating a recipe for your AI application. Now that we've covered the core components of LangChain, let's explore some of its practical applications. The beauty of LangChain lies in its versatility. It can be used to build a wide range of applications across various domains. Here are just a few examples of how LangChain is being used today. Chatbots. LangChain is ideal for building conversational AI systems, such as customer service chatbots and virtual assistants. Text summarization. LangChain can help you create concise and informative summaries, saving time and effort. Creative writing. It can assist in generating creative content, such as poems, scripts, and more. Code generation. LangChain can be used to generate code in various programming languages, making it a valuable tool for developers. These are just a few examples of how LangChain is being used to solve real-world problems and create innovative solutions. Let's start with one of the most popular applications of LangChain chatbots. These AI-powered conversational agents have become ubiquitous, from customer service on websites to virtual assistants on our smartphones. LangChain provides the perfect toolkit for building sophisticated and engaging chatbots. By leveraging the power of LLMs, you can create chatbots that can understand natural language, remember previous interactions, and provide personalized responses. Imagine a customer service chatbot that not only answers frequently asked questions, but also understands the context of a customer's issue and provides tailored solutions. With LangChain, the possibilities for creating intelligent and helpful chatbots are endless. You can even integrate your chatbots with other platforms and services, creating a seamless user experience. As we've explored, LangChain is revolutionizing the way we interact with and build applications using large language models. Its modular design, flexibility, and intuitive interface make it accessible to both experienced AI developers and newcomers. The potential applications of LangChain are vast and continue to expand as the field of AI progresses. From chatbots and text summarization to creative writing and code generation, LangChain empowers us to harness the power of language models. If you're intrigued by the possibilities of AI, dive into LangChain and see what you can create. The future of AI development is here, and it's more accessible than ever before.